Hi everyone, welcome back to Nourish Our World YouTube channel. I'm Casey, and we are here at the community garden decomposing hay. That's right, these are hay bales, and this is week 4, February 25th. And if you follow along, you can learn these steps using blood meal to accelerate the process of decomposing the hay in 6 to 8 weeks. I do it in winter so that I don't have to water. I use Mother Nature, snow and rain. Every week I come here, I turn it a quarter, and I sprinkle just a handful of blood meal and then walk away. Anyone can do this, and this will be ready for April planting.